Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nobonita Shorkar. Today, the topic of my presentation is all about my daily activities. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me the opportunity. So now I am going to talk about it. As I am a nursing student, my daily routine are bounded. First of all, I wake up at 7 am, then I get up from my bed and I clean my bed. After that, I go to washroom and brush my teeth. After coming from washroom, I have my breakfast. Then I get ready for my class. My class starts at 8 am. So after that, I go to my class. I attend all of my classes. I note down important topics and sometimes I gossip with my friends. After class, I come back to my hostel. Then I do bath and have my lunch. After lunch, I take some rest. And in the afternoon, I generally go to market to buy some food, medicines and my important things. After coming from market, I generally gossip with my friends, my roommates, and then I sometimes scroll Facebook and want to know some important topics of my country, my world, etc. After that, I sit for a study and I complete my study generally at 11 am. Then I have my dinner, and after dinner I generally clean my bed and make it ready for sleep. After that, I go to sleep, and I never go to sleep before 12 am. So that's all about my presentation, what I actually want to share with you. Thank you so much.